nakausap niyo po ba last night si Pangulo during the meeting if he'd be willing to take the first shot from Sinovac?
Opo, and his answer was, no problem, I will take the vaccine as soon as it is available. Dahil siya nga daw po ay talagang kailangan niyang magkaroon ng bakuna. Pero ang sabi niya, hindi na kinakailangan ipakita ito sa publiko. He's taking the route of the British sovereign, no? Dahil naging decision po nila Queen at saka ni Queen Elizabeth at ang kanyang asawa na pribado yung pagtuturok sa kanila.
So, dito lang po sa abrogation of the UPDND Accord, since Secretary Lorenzana was also present in the meeting last night, I was wondering if he was able to discuss this with the cabinet or the IATF officials and the president. Why has the government all of a sudden decided to do this after 31 years? May nakikita po bang threat sa UP students, and does the government see any urgent concern that needs to be averted right away with this move?
It wasn't discussed, although I found out about it because I overheard Secretary Lorenzana telling his staff what to do about the release on this, no? Pero in today's newspapers, nandiyan naman po yung dahilan na sinabi ni Secretary Lorenzana. Marami pong mga komunista, NPA, CPP na nagre-recruit sa UP, no? Pero gaya ng sinabi ko po, no, talaga naman pong alter ego si Secretary Lorenzana, suportado po yan ng ating presidente. As to yung side ng UP, tanungin na lang po natin ang UP President Danilo Concepcion.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.